1 second. We are going to the vote of thanks.
Be blessed by divine. Walgolamudam. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Walgolam.
1 second. The vote of thanks will be presented by our assistant professor, Arulnidhi Senthil Kumaraya. Please.
Walgolamudam. Be blessed by divine. I'll start with Guruvin Serkai poem. Whenever someone thinks of an object, an action, a quality, a person repeatedly, the thoughts influence the person, and there is a corresponding change in the physical and mental characteristics. This great phenomenon is called the principle of mutation. Whoever respecting the master puts the teaching into practice will surely be elevated and will reach the ultimate goal of human life. We are forever grateful to our Guru Vedatri Maharishi for constantly guiding us. Thank to Almighty to complete our 3 days silent retreat in a peaceful and blissful manner. I would like to express our sincere thanks to WSC Senior Professor from Aliar and Sky USA. First of all, our sincere gratitude to Senior Professor Arulanandan Ayya for his constant guidance by providing a detailed plan to execute this 3 days retreat successfully. Our humble thanks to Professor Arulselvi Amma for her unwavering support and guidance. No words to thank her enough for arranging many speeches in a very short period of time. For the past 3 days, we are very fortunate to listen to several enlightening speeches by our senior Sky professors. It was spiritually elevating and brought us closer to the divine. We extend heartfelt gratitude to all our speakers, Senior Professor Arulanandan Ayya, Senior Professor Yellappan Ayya, Senior Professor Ulavan Thangavel Ayya, Senior Professor Yellamurugan Ayya, Senior Professor Palachandran Ayya, Senior Professor Vedasubbaya Ayya, Professor Arulselvi Amma, and Professor Meera Amma. I would like to sincerely thank US Sky Coordinator Professor Murali Srinivasan for his constant guidance and technical support throughout planning and execution of this program. Without him and volunteer, it would be not that easy. Also, our sincere thanks to our zonal coordinators, Assistant Professor Arulmoni Maranaya and Assistant Professor Gopal Murugesan Ayya for helping technically and supporting this event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Assistant Professor Sanjeev Sidambaram from the bottom of my heart. He is the backbone of planning and executing this event successfully. I know he worked tirelessly day and night to put this event together. I know I bugged him so many times after 11. Sorry for that. Thanks for everything, Sanjeev. Now I would like to pass it on, Sanjeev. Be blessed by divine.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you very much, Senthil, for all the support and taking this event to a more large audience. Our thanks won't be complete without the volunteers who worked in the background for us to do the Maunam. I request all of you to bless them when I say their names because they are the reason for the execution of this program. First, I would like to start with Priya Vikram. She's the one who created the flyer, and many people told that they liked the design of the flyer, and with Maharishi in the center and all the professors around Maharishi, and it reached many people. Thank you very much, Priya. And then I would like to thank Venkat Sundar Rajan and Sridevi for the coordination help. I would like to thank Rajendran Kailasam for preparing the introspection slides in a very short time and very crisp manner. I would like to thank Srikant Sheshadri because we put up the program, but we have to reach to many people. Srikanth Sheshadri did an excellent job of forwarding to the people in the right time and asking them to join and putting to many groups. Thank you very much, Srikanth. And he also helped in preparing the slides. Even he got a minor injury. Thank you, Srikanth. And then I would like to thank Hema. She did a great help on the breakout room that we tried today. Like she was a teacher by profession, and so she trained us all us in breakout room. And she's so enthusiastic. Like whenever we need a help, right? She would volunteer immediately and do all of the services. Thank you very much, Hema. And I would like to thank Shankari and Vijay Lakshmi. Like they managed the breakout room very effectively, and they also helped in creating the slides for the introspection. I would like to thank Subha Ishwaran, like for moderating as well as preparing slides and gave some wonderful suggestions to save time. And I would like to thank Ramanan and Rajendran and for preparing the slides and also moderating, and Karthik Karupaswamy and Satish for moderating. We thoroughly enjoyed Karthik humor sense when we are seriously discussing. So we thoroughly enjoyed Karthik and Satish. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank Pradeep and Manikam for putting all the professors' profile, and then like Pradeep also helped in moderating. And we had some wonderful meditation, right? Recorded meditation. So it was done by Tenmoli, Karthikeyan from Dallas, and Vidya Balan. Like, thank you very much for putting all together. And in case if I had missed any volunteers, like I would also thank you also. And next we are going to have a Ulaganala வாழ்த்து session by a kid. So I'll also thank that kid, Jyoti, for going to sing the song. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the participants like who participated in this event. We got, I think, 350 plus registrations, and you actively participated in the silent session and made this a huge successful. So I would like to thank. And finally, I would like to thank Guru and Divine for making this happen, because and choosing us as instruments. Thank you very much, Guru and the Divine. Thank you, one and all. Be blessed by the Divine.
Thank you, Ayya. Thank you so much. Now we go to Ulaganala வாழ்த்து. Be blessed by the Divine. Let us all welcome Jyoti Kalai.
சொல்லு. வாழ்க வளமுடன். இந்த வாய்ப்பு சாரி இந்த வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்ததுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. உலகம் எல்லாம் பருவமழை முத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும், உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உடனே பெருகட்டும், பல தொழில்கள் புரிகின்ற பாட்டாளி உயரட்டும், பகுத்துணர்வில் தொகுத்துணர்வை பண்பாட்டை வளர்க்கட்டும், கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்தாட்சி நடக்கட்டும், கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை கலங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும், நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் மேல் ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும், நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வில் நாட்டத்தை சிறக்கட்டும். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். நன்றி. Thank you so much, Jyoti Kalai. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you so much again for your nice உலகநல வாழ்த்து பாடல். Okay.